I'm Jennifer Hightower, Commercial Lines Manager.
And I'm Helen Halverson, a Customer Service Representative in the Personal Lines Department. And on this episode of Ryan on Record Video Edition, we're going to talk to you about your policy renewals.
For the Commercial Lines Department, either myself or Amanda Sandy, our Commercial Lines Representative, strive to contact each of our customers 60 to 90 days out from their renewal date to discuss any changes that they may have had in the business.
In the Personal Lines Department, Susie, Carrie, Mei-Ling, and myself are standing by, so when you get that renewal packet, if your premium has changed or you want us to shop for a more competitive rate, please feel free to give us a call. You should receive your policy renewals typically 45 to 60 days prior to your renewal. We know that there are rate increases. Any company can file with the State Department of Financial Services at any time and be granted a rate increase. We try to catch the big ones, but please feel free to give us a call. We have over 15 home companies we can quote your rate with and over 12 auto carriers. We're an independent agent and take pride in the fact that we can shop your rate with many companies to be very competitive.
In the Commercial Lines Department, we strive to requote every customer for each renewal. Make sure you have the right coverages that you need and the right price and the best that we can offer. Through many of the companies we work with, we actually have access to hundreds of markets that we try to make sure you fit into to get everything that you need.
In the Personal Lines Department, it's important that when you call us to discuss your policy, we have kind of a question and answer session. It's important that we know of any changes that could impact your policy. If one of your drivers turned 16, you got married or divorced, if there's any changes in your property, you put on an addition, put in a pool, the county put a fire hydrant on your street, all of those things can impact the way that your policy is written. And it's important at the time of a claim that we get it right the first time. And sometimes at renewal, we catch these things, and you might be eligible for a discount you didn't know you were eligible for before.
In the Commercial Lines Department, when Amanda or I contact you either by phone or by mail, we try to touch on each of those things that could have changed in a business. Some of them would include if you have property coverage, if you've done any updates to the building, AC unit, electrical, plumbing, or roof. Those things could really impact any discounts on your policy, just like on a home policy. We also like to touch on any vehicle or driver changes for a commercial auto policy, or especially for liability coverage if you've had any payroll changes, employee additions, or if sales have increased or decreased for you. We want to make sure everything's accurate on your policy so it doesn't come out at audit.
If you're not happy with your rate or you get your renewal and have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to call the agency. We're always standing by and we can be reached at 386-738-2000.
Thank you so much for watching another episode of Ryan on Record Video Edition.
If you have any more questions or need any other information, please don't hesitate to visit our website, www.seanryaninsurance.com.